Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. He took me back to East Atlanta, took me back to Atlanta, Havana, una vez. He graduated some other girl. Hey guys, it's me Katya, and welcome back to my fantastic channel. So guys, I tried to make slime. I broke your promise. I feel so freaking bad, but I'm gonna go get some more glue and I'm gonna make slime. But I tried to make it, guys. I tried to make it in front of camera, but my sister kept on being in the clip. She kept on being in the clip and I did not want her in the clip. So what I'm gonna be doing is playing with the slime and make you even satisfied with it. It turned out good. If you want to see the first part, go check it out in my other YouTube channel, Katya Has Fun. Whoa, this is so soft. That's my baby sister, guys. Sorry, guys. Guys, doesn't that sound so satisfying? Yeah, it's really satisfying. Look at the lines in it, guys. It's so cool. Yeah, guys, you see that noise? It's so satisfying. Satisfying. Sorry, the camera is shaking because, well, it's not a camera, it's an iPad. But the camera, it's because of this, nothing. It's like one of these thingies, but they're just like more plastic. I'm talking about these things. So satisfying, guys. And like it up. Go check out my other YouTube channel and go check out my video, Free Time with Cousin, heart, 2 hearts, and oh, my baby sister is just right there, singing. My sister's with her but my sister's just watching her from the couch. Yeah, my sister's watching her. My big sister, she's 17 years old. She's not making any noise because if you guys heard that sounded like a fart. She's not talking because she doesn't want to interrupt my video like last time. Yeah. Guys, this is so satisfying. So satisfying. I'm gonna try to make the biggest bubble. Get the camera. Let me get the iPad. Okay, go to, if you have Roblox, then go play with me. Play with me. It's at Katya TV 2019. And if you want to play with my cousin, well, he doesn't really play that much, but he only plays when I'm around. But go add him as a friend. So I play Roblox a lot, guys. I do. So you can only get mine or you can get his. If you're a boy, you can get Lucas. But if you're a girl, you can get mine. It's a Cut TV 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. That was funny, guys. This, guys, you don't even know how. It's so soft, guys. Look at it. Just feel it. If you can feel it, here you go. Okay, guys. So we're about to go eat. My sister looks so cute. What? She's just making that rainbow so nice. She's not crying, guys. She's not crying, guys. Stop making the noise. Yeah, guys, and I'm just gonna be playing with my slime. Was you making noise? My dad is about to come in, guys, but ignore him. I'm gonna tell him to shush. Well, not because he's my boss, and I can tell him to shush. Well, look at this, guys. This is so soft, guys. You can't even believe it. You guys can't see me. I don't know why my sister was making that random noise. So that was weird. Guys, if you get this video to if I get to 100 subscribers, then I will just scream right now, guys. And yeah, guys, so Mia's crying, guys, so I'm just gonna end this video right here, because I'm just gonna end this video. Hope you like the satisfying slime, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye. Wait. Goodbye.